Now it's a touchscreen and the mouse.
Okay.
Residents that are not used to it have a lot of trouble figuring
With
out
the
a
mouse. Mhm.
So these are the most popular. If people are going to use things here,
So
they play games.
Uh-huh.
But for example, and I think I forgot my password. Oh, there I am. Okay, so each resident is loaded, every resident and every associate is loaded in the system. You see, obviously, there's my picture, and it has all the things that you want. You know, they can send greeting cards to family members. Oops, touch the screen. Look at it, it's a touch screen. And
And that's just done through their email account, through Connected Living, if
through
they want to send it?
it's sent at Connected Living, and every time they send an email, it says if you'd like to send an email back to this person, you will have to register.
Oh, okay. All right.
Some of the interesting things, and this is what the ambassador does a lot with, like Music for You. So they can go and look at, play music trivia,
Mm-hmm.
and they can go to oldies, and there's headphones. So the residents can look at, well, they call them 60s oldies. So yeah, so this is a game to name. This one might have a
Name the artist of the song.
or I need the sound up. I don't see these. There it is. So that they could play different games like that on here.
And again, if they're not comfortable with the mouse, they can just choose.
They
can
use, yeah,
just
many of them
touchscreen.
use the touchscreen.
Okay.
And movies and musicals, they can go in. It's all direct into YouTube, so they can go into any YouTube video and watch
Okay.
anything. Plus, a lot of things are loaded on here.
So once they have the account, then they can access this from their tablet, from their,
From anywhere.
and then they can go in and watch those movies
That's
from,
correct.
if they have their own computer, or if they want to
Right.
sit down here and watch
We
it,
also
they
have a
can.
tablet that they
Okay.
can use. We don't like to lend it out because it's tablet. Sometimes it can be a little awkward to handle, and our residents don't have the dexterity in their fingers, or are afraid of dropping it. And we have a laptop they can use. What we use, part of the system is, well, I'll talk about the
Yeah.
other part of what we do, but probably the most popular part of it is on Wednesday, the ambassador, they send a big screen with it. We also get a projector. She'll hook up the laptops and show a movie, well, usually like a